In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive emails in Gmail. Archiving emails is a fantastic way to declutter your inbox, helping you maintain a cleaner and more organized email environment. By archiving emails that you don't need immediate access to, you can significantly reduce the chaos and overwhelm often associated with an overflowing inbox. And the best part? It's incredibly simple to do. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open up your Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, it's time to decide on which email you'd like to archive. Now, this could be any email, perhaps one you've already read and responded to, or maybe it's part of a conversation thread that you're finished with for the moment. When you've identified the email you want to archive, simply hover your mouse over that email. As you hover, you'll notice a few new action icons appear to the right side of your email list. These icons are designed to provide quick access to key functions without requiring you to open the email itself. Keep an eye out for the one that looks like a little mailbox or envelope with a downward arrow. This icon represents the archive function. Once you've located the archive icon, go ahead and give it a click. You'll notice that the email disappears from your inbox view. Don't worry, your email isn't lost. It's simply been stored away from your main inbox to reduce clutter, yet is still fully accessible whenever you need it. The archive function doesn't delete your emails. Instead, it moves them to a special section where they're kept safe and sound for future reference. If you ever need to retrieve an archived email, you can do so by navigating to the All Mail section on the left-hand side of your Gmail interface. Here, you'll find all of your emails in one place, including those you've archived. Simply scroll through or use the search function to locate the email you've archived. Archiving is a wonderful way to keep your inbox neat without the fear of losing any important correspondence. By making a habit of archiving unnecessary emails, you can ensure that your inbox remains a productive and stress-free workspace. And there you have it. All it takes is a couple of clicks to bring some much-needed organization to your email life. Thanks for joining me on this quick tutorial on archiving emails in Gmail. It's as easy as that, and you'll soon find yourself enjoying a much clearer inbox.